Hello, my friends. Can you believe it? We survived. We survived 2022. Yay! And you know what? I'm just telling you, 2023 at the Stamps of Life is going to be even more amazing. Let me just say, the new products that I'm working on that you're going to see, the new projects, the new items, the Fold It Club, yay, that we're all in love with. You know what, you guys? We have so much planned at the Stamps of Life. My team is absolutely amazing, and I know they're just as excited as I am to share the new items with you. So I need you to sit down, buckle that seatbelt, because you know what? It's going to be a wild ride. So happy New Year. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy. And you know what? We're going to have so much fun. Join me this year, 2023. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.